Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this egg roll in a bowl with shrimp and pork. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. We are going to make a very common recipe, but this is my version. It's egg roll in a bowl. It is so easy, so delicious. It's such a keto staple for a lot of people. So let's get started. Ours is going to have shrimp and pork, but I don't use ground pork because ground pork really doesn't have that much flavor. So I'm going to use ground sausage. But let's cook this shrimp first. So I'm going to put my skillet on medium-high heat, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil to the skillet. Avocado oil, of course. We're going to let that get hot, and then we're just going to cook the shrimp quickly and then remove it from the pan. Okay, our oil is hot, so I'm going to add the shrimp. This is 12 ounces of shrimp that we've chopped. And I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt. We just want to cook these until they're no longer translucent, they're pink. So I'm just going to let them cook. Okay, our shrimp are just cooked through, so I'm going to remove them from the pan. Okay, we're going to set the shrimp aside, and now we're going to cook 1 pound of ground sausage. I'm going to break it apart, crumble it up, and this is just mild pork sausage, breakfast sausage. Gives this dish so much more flavor than if you were to just use ground pork. Okay, we've got our sausage just about cooked through. This sausage didn't really have hardly any grease. If yours does, then you might want to drain some of it off. But we're looking good here. So now we can add in our cabbage. This is just already chopped cabbage that you can buy at the grocery store. It's 14 ounces worth. So this looks like a lot, but of course it's going to wilt down. I'm also going to add in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. I like to just use ginger paste from the grocery store. It's already minced up, but you can mince it yourself if you want to. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So if you don't like to use soy sauce, you can use coconut aminos, or you can use tamari, which is a gluten-free soy sauce. So that is just about it for this recipe. Now we just need to cook this and let the cabbage wilt down, and then we can top it with the shrimp and it will be ready. Okay, this is ready. So now let's add our shrimp back to the skillet. I'm gonna stir that in. And this is ready. It looks so good, and that was so easy, less than 20 minutes, and look at that. Okay, now let's try a bite. Turn off the heat. Let's get a bite, make sure I get some shrimp in there. Oh yeah. It's hot. This recipe is so good. It's perfectly seasoned, and I love the little bit of spice that you get from the sausage. So good. You wouldn't get that from just ground pork. So be sure you check out this recipe, and if you're on Facebook, you should check out my recipe for keto beef and broccoli. You can just go to my website, jenniferbands.com, and search beef and broccoli. It'll come right up. It's just as easy as this one and so delicious. If you're on YouTube, you can just click this box right here and it will take you to my keto beef and broccoli recipe video, and I'll show you how to make it. It's so easy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.